Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Electronics Kits is probably one of the most exciting and educational tools available today, offering a gateway into the fascinating world of circuitry, programming, and hands-on innovation for hobbyists and aspiring engineers of all ages. These kits provide a tangible way to learn complex concepts, transforming abstract ideas into functional devices and fostering a deeper understanding of how technology works, making them an invaluable resource for anyone looking to explore their creativity and build something amazing from scratch. Whether you're a beginner eager to solder your first component or an experienced maker looking for a new challenge, the right electronics kit can unlock a universe of possibilities and spark a lifelong passion for discovery. Number 5. Snap Circuits Classic SE300 Electronics Exploration Kit. Discover a world of electronic creation with this incredible kit. You can build more than 300 exciting projects, all from one box. It's a safe and fun way to introduce kids aged 8 and up to the fundamentals of electrical engineering. Learn through exciting projects and a colorful manual. This classic kit offers amazing value with over 60 pieces. Build devices like AM radios, burglar alarms, doorbells, and even play electronic games. Get started immediately with no tools or soldering required. The numbered and color-coded pieces easily snap together on the included grid. Give the gift of learning and fun that keeps kids engaged all year round. It's an ideal present for the holidays and beyond. We're proud that these kits are loved by kids, parents, and educators alike. They have received numerous prestigious awards for their quality and educational value. What we like. If you're looking for a comprehensive introduction to electronics for kids, this kit is an excellent choice. It offers over 300 projects and requires no tools, making it incredibly accessible for young learners. Its focus on STEM education ensures a fun and engaging learning experience. What people say. Easy for a young kid, 6, to work but also great for older science-loving kids, 13 years. We really like the non-screen nature of this product, which actually teaches and instills a curiosity of how electricity and electric circuits work. The Snap Circuit set is amazing. There are so many different, fun, educational, and exciting projects you can do with this set that it is still going strong after years of use. Number 4. ELEGOO Mega R3 Ultimate Starter Kit. Introducing the ELEGOO Mega R3 Ultimate Starter Kit, the most comprehensive package for your Arduino projects. It's fully compatible with the Arduino IDE, making it easy to get started. This kit includes over 200 high-quality components, ensuring you have everything you need for a wide range of electronic experiments. Experience premium quality for all your Arduino projects. Dive into hands-on learning with our extensive PDF tutorial, featuring more than 35 detailed lessons. It guides you through various projects, from basic to advanced. Get started right away with included modules like the LCD1602 and GY521 sensor. They come with pin headers, so there's no need for soldering. Everything is neatly organized in a well-designed package with a clear component list. It even includes a special box to keep small parts like LEDs and buttons secure. We are committed to enhancing your experience. We continuously refine product details and functions based on customer feedback. What we like. For those who want a complete package with extensive learning resources, this kit is ideal. It includes over 200 components and more than 35 detailed lessons, making it perfect for beginners who want to dive deep into Arduino programming and electronics. What people say. The kit comes with a Mega 2560 board and a huge variety of components like sensors, motors, LEDs, and more. Everything was well organized in a plastic case, making it easy to keep things sorted. The tutorial has clear and easy to follow step-by-step guides, which is really helpful for beginners. The sample codes work well, and you can tweak them to understand how each component works. All of the components come with an ID card inside of the plastic compartmentalized carrying case. In addition to the Arduino with the Mega 2560 chip, were a host of project items such as LEDs, resistors, motors, jumpers, and a nice assortment of sensors. From motion, to temperature, to light output. Number 3. ELEGOO Uno R3 Smart Robot Car Kit V4. Introducing the ELEGOO Uno R3 Smart Robot Car Kit V4. It's the perfect way for kids to dive into the exciting worlds of programming, electronics, and robotics. This educational kit provides practical experience, making learning about robotics fun and engaging. It's designed to be an all-in-one solution for robotics education. Explore a wide range of functionalities with 24 different module parts. You can enable features like obstacle avoidance and line tracing, and even control it with your phone or tablet. We've made assembly a breeze with easy-to-use connectors. This means you can spend less time building and more time experimenting and playing. Follow along with our detailed, high-definition instructions to build your robot car from the ground up. All the necessary code and programs are provided to get you started right away. With its sleek, minimalist design, this kit makes a fantastic gift for your kids and their friends. It's an ideal introduction to engineering and coding for ages 8 and up. What we like. If you're interested in robotics and want a hands-on project, this smart robot car kit is a fantastic option. It's designed for easy assembly and offers app control via phone or tablet, making it perfect for kids who love building and controlling their own creations. What people say. The kit includes a variety of components for different projects. Detailed instructions and diagrams are provided, making assembly straightforward. The educational value is high, teaching fundamental electronics concepts. Number 2. STEM Exploration Electronics Kit for Kids. Unleash your child's creativity with this exciting kit. It allows them to build more than 420 different projects, offering endless possibilities for exploration and learning. This kit makes learning the basics of electrical engineering fun and safe. It includes various electronic experiments that introduce fundamental concepts without any risk. With 35 circuit parts, children can create numerous projects and learn about series and parallel connections. It's an ideal tool for understanding circuits in a hands-on way. No soldering or extra tools are needed. Everything is included for easy learning. Simply snap the circuits together on the plastic plate to start experimenting. The colorful manual and indicator cards guide children through 118 different circuit builds. This sparks curiosity and builds confidence as they play and learn. Cultivate a love for science and keep your child engaged for hours. This kit encourages free assembly, expands thinking, and provides diverse play experiences. What we like. This kit is perfect for younger children, ages 3 and up, who are just beginning to explore STEM concepts. With over 420 projects and no need for soldering, it provides a safe and engaging way to learn the basics of electrical engineering and circuit knowledge. What people say. Grandson, 9, liked the fact that he could position components in any way he wanted to. Lego board bottom can be used to support other Legos and make it more fun. The ease and intuitive nature of this toy. There are many aspects that are fun for both my 3-year-old and my 5-year-old, and enough sophistication that they'll continue to keep interest for a while. He is 6 years and was able to complete some of the activities with minimal help, which kept him engaged and focused. The pieces seem sturdy enough for regular use, and the instructions are easy to follow. Number 1. KEYESTUDIO 37-in-1 Sensor Kit for Arduino and Raspberry Pi. Dive into the world of electronics with this comprehensive starter kit. It includes 37 essential sensors and modules, perfect for grasping fundamental concepts. Get started easily with our detailed tutorials, complete with clear images, code examples, and 37 step-by-step projects. We provide Arduino-specific guidance to help you along the way. Each module features 3 to 4 pins, making it simple to connect to a solderless breadboard or use with DuPont wires. This flexibility allows for seamless integration into your electronic creations. This kit is ideal for beginners eager to explore programming and electronics. It's designed for compatibility with popular platforms like Arduino and Raspberry Pi. All components are securely packed in a durable box, with each item individually wrapped. You'll receive high-quality parts ready for your next project. It works seamlessly with Arduino R3, Mega 2560, Nano, and Raspberry Pi, offering broad compatibility for your learning journey. What we like. For teens and adults looking to explore a wide range of sensor functionalities, this kit is an excellent starting point. It includes 37 different sensors and modules, compatible with Arduino and Raspberry Pi, and comes with detailed tutorials for step-by-step learning. What people say. This kit is a great introduction to electronics, with clear instructions and well-organized components. The included breadboard is high quality and makes prototyping easy. I was able to build several interesting projects with this kit, including a simple radio and an LED flasher. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.